is ready to get stereo signals from the Volca sample, which is a stereo machine. Yes, so you could plug in a Chaos pad or something else into the send out and then into the aux in, and you'd be ready to be mixing with effects. And I probably will do that. That's a nice little setup on the table. Sort of makes a T shape. This is VJ Franz K signing out for now. I guess I'll continue to play a jam for a little while, but we have these mute buttons, which is a handy feature for sort of highlighting one part of mix. Please subscribe here on YouTube, and I've started a Patreon as well, so if you'd like to become my patron, I would really appreciate that. And you know, with support I'll be able to get more gear, synthesizers and cameras as well. I was thinking of upgrading. Maybe be able to do some multi-camera setups like some of my more wealthy competitors here on YouTube. If you have any questions, or if you have personal gear questions as to what device you should pick or other things like that, please ask them on the video. And of course, especially for the patrons, I would be very much ready to help you design that studio that would make your creativity work best. probably do with this Volca mix is to feed it into a more complicated mixer. Like use this to sub-mix the Volcas, which it was made to do, and also power the Volcas. One thing I do wish it had is a MIDI in. With the sending out the sync, I wish I could plug in my external MIDI device and have it sync that way, but I probably won't use the sync cables anyway because I'm controlling the group of the Volcas with other things. You could see in my recent videos, I have the Electribe guiding them. A lot of people keep asking me, should I get the Electribe sampler or should I get the Electribe M, you know, the music production, the synthesizer? And of course, the answer to that question is sampling really important to you? Is it something that you like to deal with a lot, or, you know, does it not matter? Do synthesizer features work better for you? You could perhaps use the Volca sample if you like the sort of simple or the classic sound. Every comment that you write, I listen to, or I look at it, and then I imagine what you've said. So, it matters. If you have a question, make sure to be specific. Give all of the necessary information. I did work in tech support for a while, so I got used to dealing with a lot of these complicated technical questions. And of course, before asking somebody else, do look to your manual first to, you know, understand if it's already been answered and sort of obviously present there. That's the thing with the Volca, is you'll just have a great time messing around with it, and pretty soon you'll come up with some things that you didn't even expect that you would. You'll sort of fall into a groove or something like that, and then, you know what, I can see how to do it right now. See what we'll do. Take this Volca Beats. Do I have enough cables to do it? We'll take the Volca Beats. And will that reach? Set this up. It would be a shame to ruin the perfectly symmetrical pattern there. So, take the sync out from there and put it here. There we go. Reduce. Now this one is being powered by just the batteries, so that is where the solution is slightly lacking. But I will go ahead and take this audio cable and add it to the aux in there. Then stop, start, get them all started. It works. So the Volca Beats is coming in as a 4th channel, even though we don't have the extra niceties on that channel. But it is effectively mixing our 4 Volcas here instead of just 3. Keeping them all in sync. Clever ideas. Try and give you that on this channel. Scoot the entire setup down a bit. Anyway, please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Your views, your likes, and your online friendship, because that's what YouTube is. It's less like television and more like just a bunch of friends hanging out and talking to each other, unless they're making hateful comments to each other. But I appreciate all the nice comments that people are saying, and in fact, even from hateful comments you might get from people, you can still learn a lot. So listen to those too. DJ Franz K signing out for now.